feet, 200.
Copy that.
O2 of 20.6.
Whether you're diving in a submarine that's 540 meters beneath Antarctica's waters, or operating the camera on a remote operated vehicle that is 4,000 meters beneath the Arctic ice, you never know exactly what you're going to find. I'm currently in the Southern Ocean, just off the Antarctic Peninsula aboard the Arctic Sunrise. And we are here exploring some of the amazing deep wonders of the Southern Ocean, many places that have never been seen by the human eye before. My favourite part of my job is definitely diving in submarines.
It's really fun to drive a submarine. I love going to places that no one's ever been. There are very few times as a human where you get to have that experience.
At first, I thought I would be scared or nervous, the idea of descending that deep in a submarine. But as the hatch sealed shut, I was just overwhelmed with excitement.
200 feet, 200.
When you're doing an exploratory dive, there's no knowing exactly what you're going to find.
Holding station at 1500.
You feel like an astronaut in space.
You might be descending on a landscape that is completely barren, just recently turned over by a drifting iceberg.
O2 of 20.6. Cabin pressure 1.
Or you may be lucky and be surprised by the most incredible abundance of life. Almost every single place where we put the submarine down, we have found life, and not just some life, but an incredible variety and diversity of life.
And the colour is beautiful. Is that an octopus? It's nuts, it's so nuts. I think definitely the coolest thing I've ever done.
With so little of our deep polar regions explored, there's no knowing how many reefs there are like this out there.
Our next expedition took us somewhere even deeper, an environment so hostile you can't send humans. But if life can survive here, life could survive anywhere.
I am currently 82 degrees north in the Arctic Ocean. It is a place that I have never had the opportunity to travel to before, and I am so excited for this adventure.
Our target location is the Aurora Vent Field, a volcanic world 4,000 meters beneath the sea ice. It's a hydrothermal hotspot, the furthest north ever detected, which has never been explored before. Our only chance was to use an underwater robot. But it's a mission akin to a space landing. Lots of tiny variables have to line up just right, or by the time you've made that 4,000 meter descent, you could end up in the complete wrong location. Driven off course by shifting ice and currents. We had no idea what we would find. Out of the darkness, we saw our first black smoker emerge on screen. A mesmerizing hydrothermal vent created by deep-sea underwater volcanoes. They are a source of heat so powerful, they can sustain life.
I think a lot of people would think that this far under ice, this high north, you wouldn't have life. And I think I personally wouldn't even imagine there would be life. I would expect it to be a barren landscape. Hydrothermal vents existing under ice is something that we have observed on some of the moons in our solar system. And it is a really good indication that life not dissimilar to this could be thriving there. As exciting as it is that what we learn here could be applied to these faraway worlds, but you don't need to travel to another planet to see these incredible places.
They exist right here on Earth.